Every great vision begins with a purpose. At Calderys, we set out to build the world's largest single-site greenfield plant for refractories and steel casting fluxes, aiming to produce locally through the Make in India mission, bringing our global solutions closer to our Asia-Pacific customers and contributing to Odisha's development. What does it take to build this world-class facility from the ground up? It begins with the commitment to turn a vast open land into a hub of industrial excellence. With the blessings and support of the state government, the foundation was officially laid in March 2024, a landmark moment for Calderys and for the future of the region. From this initial commitment, the speed and scale of the project took hold, driven by global expertise and local dedication. Witness the journey of CAPES, a relentless drive, building the future of refractory solutions for India's core industries. Benchmark for operational excellence, innovation and sustainability. In May 2025, the first line went live. Rapid ramp-up, proving high performance and reliability from day one. With the first successful dispatch, CAPES began fulfilling its promise, delivering superior quality products to customers across the Asia-Pacific region. Building on this success, the basic monolithic line became operational in September 2025, further diversifying our offering and boosting capacity. And the expansion continues. Our acidic and basic bricks lines are rapidly taking shape, adding further capacity and versatility. CAPES will soon boast 6 advanced lines, from monolithics to bricks, precast shapes, fluxes, and tap-hole clays, a complete spectrum of refractory solutions under one roof. Yet our excellence extends beyond products to the people who power them. A star employer recognized for its care and commitment to people. At CAPES, quality is non-negotiable. All products are engineered to our customers' exact needs. Precision, cutting-edge automation, and rigorous in-house testing ensure product consistency in every batch. Strategically located, ensuring shorter lead time, faster delivery, and agile service for our customers, CAPES is a high-capacity, quality-first hub for iron and steel, cement, aluminum, and petrochemical industries, strengthening the backbone of India's industry.